Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. And here's how it's done. First, let us look at how to disable the pop-up blocker for individual websites. Open Google Chrome and go to a website. On the left side of the URL bar, you will see a little padlock icon. Click on that. If you see the option to toggle off pop-up blocking, simply turn it off. You can toggle it back on any time. If that option isn't available, click on Site Settings, then scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects. From here, then scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects. From here, you can set it to allow to enable pop-ups for the specific site. Now, to disable pop-ups for all websites, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then go to Settings. Next, select Security and Privacy. Then go to Site Settings. Scroll down to Pop-up and Redirects, and choose the option to allow or block them. If you select Allow, pop-ups will be enabled for all sites. Select Block to disable them. And that's everything you need to know about how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!